Alright, so this is that old white 1899 Gene Machine. I'm going to show you this, guys. This is really so awesome. Look how thick that is. Look at this material, how thick it is. Okay? This material is kind of like an army material, you know? Like they make army shirts out of. Anyway, look how beautiful this sews and how it hardly makes any noise. You know, like I said in my previous video, how many sewing machines, these mechanical machines, make a loud hum noise when they want to sew before when you put your foot on the foot pedal. Listen to this. It's like butter. And you didn't hear that large hum noise like you do with some mechanical machines. Isn't that nice? Beautiful. Just beautiful.